The desktop computer as you know it is about to disappear. For years, Apple has kept the professional world waiting, suspended in a state of almost. We've had the Mac Studio, we've had the Mac Pro, and we've had the consumer-grade iMac. But there has been a gaping, dark hole in the lineup. A missing titan that once defined what a creative workstation could be. Right now, behind the frosted glass of Apple Park, the silence has been broken. The beast is returning. This is the comeback of the iMac Pro. If you are a professional filmmaker, a 3D architect, a developer, or simply someone who refuses to settle for anything less than the absolute peak of desktop engineering, you need to stop everything. Do not buy a Mac Studio today. Do not look at the current 24-inch iMac. Because the leaks coming out of the premium supply chain suggest that Apple is about to drop a machine that makes every other all-in-one computer in history look like a child's toy. This is the Space Gray Legacy reborn. But this time, it's packing a level of silicon power that shouldn't be possible in a chassis this thin. Let's talk about the heart of this machine, the silicon. We aren't talking about the standard M-series chips here. The iMac Pro is rumored to be the launch vehicle for the M5 Ultra, and a potential extreme variant that bridges the gap between a desktop and a server. Imagine a 2-nanometer architecture with over 150 billion transistors. This isn't just about opening apps faster. It's about a machine that can render an entire virtual world in real time while you're still designing it. It's about 192 gigabytes of unified memory that moves data at speeds that make traditional RAM look like a dial-up connection. But the real story, the reason people are going to be lining up around the block, is the display. Apple is reportedly moving to a 32-inch 6K Pro Display XDR panel integrated directly into the housing. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. We are talking about tandem OLED technology paired with a mini LED backlight system. You get the infinite blacks of OLED and the blinding 1600 nit peak brightness of XDR. For the first time, your workstation is also your reference monitor. If you are color grading a feature film or editing high dynamic range photography, this screen isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It is quite literally the best display ever put on a computer. Now, I want you to think about your current desk. The cables, the clutter, the external docks, the messy cable management. The iMac Pro is designed to kill the clutter forever. The leaks suggest a zero-footprint design where the entire computer lives behind the glass, yet remains thinner than a deck of cards. But here's the kicker. The Pro port array. We are looking at 6 Thunderbolt 6 ports. Yes, Apple is skipping ahead to the next generation of connectivity. You could transfer a terabyte of data in the time it takes to sip your coffee. It's a machine that respects your time. But there is a catch. There is always a catch with Apple. To achieve this level of performance in an all-in-one, Apple has had to reinvent thermal management from the ground up. The rumors point toward a vapor phase cooling system. Instead of loud, whirring fans that sound like a jet engine taking off on your desk, the iMac Pro uses a silent liquid-to-gas heat exchange. You could be pushing the CPU to 100% capacity, and your workspace will remain as quiet as a library. This is the invisible power philosophy, strength that you feel but never hear. But why now? Why did Apple wait so long to bring back the Pro moniker to the iMac? It's because of the convergence.